Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Videohive with W-9 setup detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your earnings from Videohive, you first need to log into your Videohive account. Navigate to the Accounts section on the website. Look for the Payout Settings option and click on it. Before withdrawing, ensure you have completed the W-9 tax form. To do this, locate the Tax Information section within your account settings. Click on the Submit W-9 button. A form will appear requiring your legal name, business name if applicable, and address. Fill in all the required fields accurately. Next, provide your Social Security number or employer identification number as needed. Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit the W-9 form. After submission, it may take a few days for approval from the Videohive team. Monitoring your email for confirmation is a good practice during this period. Once your W-9 form is approved, return to the Payout Settings section. Here, you will see your available earnings for withdrawal. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Input the necessary details based on the chosen payment method. Confirm the amount you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details one last time to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click on the Withdraw button to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation email once your withdrawal request is processed. Keep track of your earnings and payment confirmation for your records. That's it. You've successfully set up your W-9 and withdrawn earnings from Videohive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.